In this video, I'm going to be playing with the wagon, the Volvo, because I want to. It's been a month and a half, sort of close at 2 months since I passed my HGV. I haven't moved the wagon yet, so why not? Gonna get it out because I'm planning on moving the wagons this weekend, getting them out ready for Corbridge Steam Rally, and I've just got the Volvo running. I've moved it now, I moved all the trailers, hold on. So, trailers are moved. There's that gardener. The trailer looks a mess, but it is sorted out. It just looks messy. The good trailer's over there. The van's there. And the Volvo's there. I did move it backwards to it out, and as I got it out the shed, it started to rain. I'm waiting for the rain to pass, because I think it will pass. Hopefully. I'm going to give it a wash because it hasn't been washed in a long time. It's filthy dirty, just covered in dust. I've swept the yard as well. I can't wait, I've got to start playing with this so I can take it out and stuff. Now, I've swept the yard. I know it doesn't look like I swept the yard, but I have. I'll see if I can show you in the bin. Yep. I've swept the yard, and then as soon as I swept the yard, wind picked up and blew everything around again. So that's cleaned off. Just walk over these. Oh, hello. Yeah, you can kind of see I've swept the yard. And I'm going to have a tidy up with the wagon. The back of the wagon's getting left for the minute. Concentrate on the carb because the carb looks tired. And if we're going to have to get it tested, then I've got to get it tested. It's got to look right. That's why I'm doing the bumper. So I'm going to crack on. And hopefully the rain will pass, and I'm going to crack on and get the wagon washed. The sun's coming back up, as you can see. Let's dry it off. Got the pressure wash out, got my washy stuff. I've left most of my washy stuff at home. Snow foam and all that stuff at home, so I'm limited to what I can use, but I'll get there. Let's just get the main crap off it. It looks lovely in the video, but it's quite faded. But it's just like that, built up dirt and grime from sitting in the yard, just covered in dust and stuff. So get it cleaned off and get the tank cleaned again because it's all stained and not shiny anymore. But we'll get there. We'll get it washed off. So I'll get up a height, spray this roof, and start from the roof. Sorry if it's really windy, but yeah, time to start squirting this stuff off. The thing is, because she's been undercover, it's not super bad, but bad enough as you can see. Let's get cracking. Hold on. Let's crap off. Yeah. Way aye. Come on. Lead. I didn't need the pressure off before I started. That's new. That wasn't bent like that before. Bugger. Let's have a look. Probably in the shed. Oh well. I'll fix it. Well, I've got the roof hosed off. Just on it. Oh. Come on. Pump up. I think I'll overfill this. There we go. Give it a spray off for me. Pre-wash. Maybe. Yeah, I've overfilled it. I can't put pressure in it. Come on. There we go, that's the one. Hopefully this will help lift off the crap. Like just the dust. I'm going to need a clay bar and polish it, to be fair, like, get it looking nice. But it's all part of the fun. So good. And then, yeah, I'm not doing a very good job filming at the same time, like. It's being a bit wonky, I'll tell you that much. I suppose just do that. There you go, that's easier to see, isn't it? Get that up, hold on, I missed a big spot in the middle. That's better. Way that'll sit well for a couple of minutes while I get the pressure wash started again. You helping, mate? Spray it. You can see the old mark. That's better. getting all crap off it, but yeah, I wouldn't want to turn the wipers on with the state they were like, because if I kept them on the way they were, there was a good chance we would have marked the windscreen. That wouldn't have been very fun. I probably could have polished the mark suit like, but it's all more work that I didn't need. Onto the passenger side now, and of course the weather's changing again. I'll get that pumped up, get some stuff sprayed on. This is the side that gets more weathering because it's not against the side of the building. So see what I can do. That's over up there, like. She's gonna need some work, but we'll get there. We've been painted 15 years, so to be fair, it's kind of allowed to be looking a little bit tired now. Not like she was painted 2 or 3 years ago, 15 years ago now. And there's the battery box that I painted the other day. It looks lovely and awesome, and now the rest of the wagon looks crap. Yeah, she really needs some love, like. There's only so much you can do at a time, especially when you can't get her inside either. If you can't get them inside, it's a lot harder. Where you can't get ours inside because the doors are too long. But it is what it is. It's meshed off now, and this side's not looking too bad. Obviously, it looks mint in the camera. Oh yes, it just proves how crap fucking you can never go with pictures, because yeah, it looks nice, but can you hear that? No, you might be able to, yeah, there you go. You can see it on the mudguard a lot better than you can on the red. It's covered in overspray and shade, so I'm trying to give it a clear, but I've got my clay cloth in there. I might clear the tank. It's going to cause some serious marring, but she needs polished anyway, so she'll get polished and waxed, and yeah, I can't wait to start playing with it. Like, why am I on? Yeah. Oh, and we bought this. Just found the receipt for this from Robson's of Walsingham. We bought this. Well, Dad bought it. I didn't buy it, obviously. In 1996. So we bought it the same year I was born. Yeah, says something, doesn't it? Oops, I just spilled water everywhere. Have a crack on. She's cleared off. Quick tripod in. Look at them in pictures. I want to show how, well, it'll show different when I polish it like, but yep, it's cleaned off. That doesn't look how it was replaced now. the whole cab, well, the front of the cab and the sides of the cab are being cleared off. I've got the sun visor to do, but I can't do that until I either have the ladders or I tilt the cab. I'm going to do the back of the cab at some point. I don't think I'm going to do it today. Can't really be asked to do it today, if I'm perfectly honest. I've got to do the back of the chassis anyway and clean the crane off, because the crane's going green. But yeah, so that's that bit done. Next bit's to machine polish it, because it's in dire need. I will see if you can see the difference. Like, can you see the difference? It's flat. No, you can't see the difference. But yeah, it's supposed to be nice shiny red, so yeah. Let's get the machine polisher out. Probably just do that tomorrow if the weather's alright, because I'm going to go home for me tea. Yeah, I'll come back to it tomorrow. Put it away now. Well, come back today, which is the next day after I washed the wagon, and I was going to polish it. That's kind of gone out the window because it's raining. I can't polish it where it is. There's not enough room really, and also I would need to run cables outside and not worth it. But yeah, the glass looks a lot cleaner just from a clay. I suppose it will do when it's not covered in fucking stuff, overspray. So yeah, I think that'll be the end of this video, and in the next one, hopefully one of the next videos, or at some point soon, hopefully, polishing the wagon. Until next time, if you want to see more, just like, subscribe, and comment, tell us what you want to see. And hopefully this weekend we'll get in the Scamble suits, so yeah, keep an eye out. Ta-ra.